Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This is Salty Sailor Apothecary. I've never ordered these bath bombs from them before for no other reason other than I just haven't. I've been seeing them around for years and I decided to give them a try. So let's see what we have here. Nicely packaged. And oh, everything is easy to see. Salty Sailor Apothecary. And here's a card with her information. And let's see what we got in the box. Thanks, Sarah. All right. First I got this bath bomb. I don't remember what the name of it was, and it doesn't say. It just says bath bomb on it. I'll go back on their site and see what the name is, and I'll add it to the bottom of this in case you're interested, along with the price, because there's no packing list or invoice in here at all. So I can't even check to see if I received everything that I ordered unless I go back onto their site. But anyway, here's the first bath bomb. I think this was just an afterthought, maybe because I just wanted to make sure the shipping was worth it. I think it's an adorable bath bomb, but I typically don't really just order white bath bombs. But it's adorable. So it's probably me just trying to fill my box up to make sure that the weight was worth the shipping. But I'll let you know. I have no idea what scent it is. I have no idea what the name of it is. But I'll let you guys know. All right. The next one was this one because it's just too cute. Yes, I know it's white, but come on. How cute is he? Again, I don't know who his name is or his scent. None of that. Can't smell it through the paper. I mean, through the wrapping. Which is strange because it's actually open right here. It smells a little fruity, I guess. But it's not a very strong scent that I can smell. And then this one, because it's adorable. I know it's scented in Fruit Loops. I remember this because that's why I got it, because it's so cute. And I guess it'll be named something, Fruit Loops, something. I don't know. Literally cannot smell this one at all through the wrapping, but there's no holes in it, so it's just wrapped really well. Wait a minute. Is that a hole? No, that's not a hole. It looked like a hole right there, but it's not. I was going to try to get the scent of the Fruit Loops for you. I hope it's Fruit Loops. I'm pretty sure that's what I saw. And then this one, because come on, how cute is that? It's adorable. Not sure what's going on there, but it doesn't look like it's broken or anything. Just I guess this was a double-sided bath bomb press. And so that's why this came out here. It's just actually the shape of the straw and stuff on that side as well. So adorable. Coconut? I don't know. Oh, I smell this one. I can smell this one. It smells tropical, but doesn't smell like coconut. But again, I will let you know what it is once I go back to my next time. Before I even open the box, I'm going to go to the website and see what I have ordered, because some people don't give you a packing list or an invoice in your box, and then they don't mention the name of the bath bomb nor the scent on the packaging. And so I should be ready for you guys and have it already ready. Then it looks like it got a few little free items. Oh, several. I got Badass Body Butter. Guess that's a body butter. And cleansing balm. Oh, is that a hair? Looks like a little cat hair or a dog hair or something. There it is right there. It happens sometimes when the items come from a pet home. Not my favorite thing, though, I will admit. This is a melt-away cleansing balm. And then the last thing is Cashmere Cream Luxury Body Butter. So I wish I could open it with one hand so I could show you guys. All right, so open it with two hands. So there it is. It is actually kind of thick and fluffy. Trying to see the scent, but I can't make out the scent. Doesn't say that there's a scent. Let me see if I could smooth it out on my skin. It's a very pretty soft scent, whatever it is. It's very, very light, which is great because I like light scented body creams. I don't like when they're super heavy because then they clash with my perfume or whatever. All right, guys. Again, what did I get? I got this Cashmere body cream sample. I got the Badass Body Butter. I got the cleansing balm. I got, like, looks like a pina colada drink, but doesn't smell like pina colada at all. I got this cute, I love the color of this shimmer up here. This cute cloud, the adorable pirate. I sure hope these have like serious embeds in them. I think from what I saw on their page they do. And then this adorable cereal. I don't know what it's called, but I'm assuming I'm gonna call it cereal. I was gonna say conflé, which is what a lot of Puerto Ricans call cereal, which is hilarious because it's literally just cornflakes. Conflé. All right, so that's it for my Salty Sailor Apothecary unboxing. I'll let you guys know how it goes since this is my first time purchasing from them. Everything looks super cute. So I'll let you know the names and the costs on the bottom of the video or in the description. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.